Baby,
You're not my type, sorry.
who try to see your body flat like blood clot? You put your head big like barrel. You put your foot big and dry like it. The lotion your foot, my girl. You come around and the lotion your foot.
You're not my type.
The lotion your foot, man. You even look good, you look like blood clot, man, royal. Where you go? You put you to.
Hello? You can talk? Okay. You know, I don't really want to talk to you, so just put the phone in front of me and talk to you. Hello? Miss Splish Splash? Miss Grip and Tight? Miss Destructive? You hold me all night?
Welcome back to the channel. Today we are reacting to something that is too real and way too funny. We are looking at how Jamaican men react when they get ignored or rejected by women. Now listen, Jamaican men are known for their confidence, charm and smooth talking. But when the women says no thanks or reject them or ignore them or worse act like they didn't hear anything from them, oh man, that's when the real comedy begins. From dramatic speeches to instant attitude to pretending they never liked them at the first place. We're about to see all the classic Jamaican reactions. Rejecting, being rejected. So let's jump into it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell.
Miss Pearly, I like your black skin, you know, a piece of my JR,
Lift up, man. Me no want a broke man.
Hey, hold man, who ya try this? What you mean you know I'm a broke man? Who ya try this? You even look rambunctious. But you know I'm a broke man. Me look broke body boy. I make this yo. So I see, go empty your chimney. Empty your Miss Pearly, man, me get dark. Lift up.
Baby,
You're not my type, sorry.
who try to see your body flat like blood clot? You put your head big like barrel. You put your foot big and dry like it. The lotion your foot, my girl. You come around and the lotion your foot.
You're not my type.
The lotion your foot, man. You even look good, you look like blood clot, man, royal. Where you go? You put you to.
When Jamaican men get rejected, they immediately switches their personalities. 1 second they're like, baby girl, you look nice today. Another say, and suddenly they're like, me never want you anyway. They switch from 0.2 seconds. That's emotional recovery speed is Olympic level. If you know Jamaica culture, you already know this one. When rejection happens, suddenly the man becomes a motivational speaker. You too proud anyway. A better girl me can get. You think you're nice. Like in 2 minutes ago, you were literally asking for their number. Now you're doing a full TED talk about humility. You know, when a Jamaican man gets rejected in front of his friends, it is finished. The boys in the background try not to laugh, but it hits them with what it looked like. Nobody say a word. And when he walks away acting like he forgot something important somewhere else, that's walk says everything.
Onion Jeffrey, you know, some me die your window last night from after 9 to 6 o'clock this morning. Onion Bumbleclad Jeffrey. Me see you send Jeffrey 23 messages, 14 voice note, and 17 emojis in all. Yarning up on the phone for 37 minutes, 2 seconds. Onion Jeffrey. Because your man that foreign, your man asleep them the time there. Me sure say your man offline. Because when me check him number, him offline. So Onion Jeffrey. Why Jeffrey I call you?
Yeah, girl. So I tell you, you have him put up money and be something.
Hello, lovely lady.
What am calling about, girl?
Goddess of the earth.
What you want,
Jesus
sir?
Christ, I'm not even gonna lie. That dress is sitting so well, complementing your curves and everything.
okay.
And the yellow on your toenail is so lovely. I'll massage those feet any day.
All right, thanks.
Anyways, my name is Adrian, and you want us to go grab something to eat?
No, you're too short. I am not hungry, I don't eat, I don't have a belly. Where you don't go back fresh where you come from, sir? You see your ear one comb, Jesus Christ. You gotta suck out your mother bum buckler, all that sound. You see back your ear one brush up, big idiot girl. And your second toe longer than your big toe, your heel and suck your mother, you come talk about man too short. You too tall, you too blood clot tall. And you first get wet when rain fall, that is not my fault. You have to sleep in the fetus position, see your foot don't hang off of the bed. Big idiot bum buckler, you come style up man, man talk to you like a human being, you come disrespect man. You're a shit man,
No, sir.
Suck out your mother, bitch.
Fatality.
Hello? You can talk? Okay. You know, I don't really want to talk to you, so just put the phone in front of me and talk to you. Hello? Miss Splish Splash? Miss Grip and Tight? Miss Destructive? You hold me all night. You know, see me and your owner not agree. We are argue and we are fight. But you see, you and me, we will always be alright. Our band, you know that's strong. I want you right now. If you turn panny long. But your owner, sometimes you can't bother with that. She go on too much, she do too much. But you, I love you. You, full of glow. You, it's true. Hey baby. Remember when me in and go in and out? And your lips them hold me and pull me back in? Oh God, baby, I want you right now. But your owner be stubborn. I'm not worried about that still, you understand? Here, close up back here. And talk to you later. Hello? Yeah, you're good? Alright.
Hey, baby.
Say I'm coming
Hey, if you want, come in front. Come in front. Come in if a killer want kill me in a girl. Oh, yeah. Put your phone on this side, yeah. Try and tell this something. Me try to be like you.
Never mind.
What?
Never mind.
You have a man? You see me you come in, I see me go come out and make your hair, cause you have a man here. I'm gonna play back my song. See me you come out here, come out and make your hair. 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 Cause you don't like me. You don't like me.
Jamaican men doesn't believe in rejection. They don't. They always believe in try again later. When a girl says no 3 times, but they be like, alright, but hear me out though. The brother, the interview is over, application denied, security escort incoming. But they never get tired of asking and keep on asking. But jokes are aside, this part of what makes Jamaica humor so funny. The expression, the dramatic reactions, the quick comebacks. Even when things go wrong, people turn into comedy. And honestly, everybody has seen a moment like this happen in his life. The reaction made me laughing. Some of these guys recover like champions, others not too much. But one thing is clear. Getting rejected is one thing, but getting rejected in Jamaican style, that's a whole comedy show. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it to friends and families. Drop a comment and tell me what you think in the comments.